relating benefits through operational research and artificial intelligence. So objective is to enhance operational efficiency and integrate the digital manufacturing with AI and OR methods to optimize production plans and to improve the supply chain visibility.
Means AM and cloud computing enables hyper automation, flexible manufacturing and customized production. Keys and technologies. In this article, there are three technologies: plant level digitalization, collaboration between machines, humans, and products using robotics, digital twins, and additive manufacturing. Second one is network level digitalization, use of blockchain, IoT, and collaborative platform to enable end-to-end supply chain visibility. And then solution methodology. By using integration of interdisciplinary tools for OR, AI, and ML.
They demonstrated coupling digital manufacturing infrastructure with AI and operational research. The key findings are production efficiency, real-time monitoring, cost-saving, AI-powered inventory, and supply chain resilience.
The author highlights the benefits of these digital technologies in manufacturing and supply chains using intensive use of operational research and AI.
The main goal is to build the digital technologies, resilient and sustainable supply chains. Mainly the supply chains, block technology, artificial intelligence, AI, ML. So all these technologies are covered in this paper.
Provides the comprehensive overview of advancement in the digital manufacturing and supply chain management, emphasizing the integration of operational research, machine learning, and artificial intelligence to create the benefit to the industry 4.0.
In addition to that, integration of blockchain is found, which helps in improving the efficiency and visibility in the supply chain, which helps to for data acquisition system. So data acquisition helps in more control over the system.
This article is applied for advanced teaching in the manufacturing process. This article helps for research in digital manufacturing and also to build the industry 4.0 and 5.0.
Also, the viability of supply chain with the vendor managed inventory approach is considered using the blockchain approach.
This article acts as a gateway into the future of smart manufacturing and intelligent supply chains. It shows how technology like AI, blockchain, and additive manufacturing and digital twins with operational research are not just buzzwords. They are transforming how goods are made, moved, and sold. Thank you.
Know that the article is all about the review paper. So the industry 4.0 is a digital transition involving the collaborative between the machine, products and humans basically. And it covers network and plant levels utilizing the additive manufacturing, the robotics, the digital twins, virtual and augmented reality and collaboration tools that we have learned from last 3 days and having the overview of from last 3 days. So the digital supply chain uses the blockchain, IoT, e-commerce and other platforms and supply portals for the successful executions within a system. And basically it indicates that yes, the paper is the concern about the future manufacturing techniques that is deal with the mass production as well as controlled production within a batch size. Thank you.
The article is related to, it is kind of review papers, where one of paper assesses blockchain technology in vendor managed inventory model within a pharmacy industry, finding a cost benefits of BCT. Another paper studies supply chain integration in mass customization and identifying win-win outcomes. And then another contribution analyzes the effect of stakeholders in a live streaming market using one-to-one model.
Okay, good afternoon. In this paper, digital manufacturing and supply chain, where author wants to explain how the different benefits are created in a field of digital manufacturing supply chain by using OR and artificial intelligence. Here specifically, authors speak about the industry 4.0 transition levels, where it considers network level and plant level. At plant level, he explained about digital manufacturing are based on collaborations like collaboration between machines with products and humans. And in a network level, they talk about the digital supply chain, how digital supply chain utilizes blockchain and IoT, and how they create the benefits for these two functionalities. Thank you.
In this smart supply chain is prepared digitally, and for that some various techniques have been used, like blockchain technology, Internet of Things, and various e-commerce platforms are also used. Thank you.
Supply chains are changing fast with the help of operation research and artificial intelligence. Authors are also showing that combining these industries can make smarter decisions, saves cost, respond quickly to the changes. AI helps predict problems with or helps optimize every steps in the process. Together they build a more efficient, reliable and the future state systems.
So the article aims to highlight advances in digital manufacturing and supply chain optimization by presenting case studies and the theoretical developments. So it showcases how technologies such as blockchain, IoT, robotics, additive manufacturing and big data analysis can create benefits across manufacturing and supply chain operations. So there are two key findings: enhance efficiency and cost optimization, and better decision making under uncertainties. Thank you.
In this article, in digital manufacturing use digital technology like IoT, sensors, automation, and supply chain end-to-end digital visibility from raw material to finished part. In operational research, use mathematical models, and AI helps detecting anomalies and predictive maintenance. The benefits of this article is faster production, improved efficiency, traveling cost of material is less, customer satisfaction.